I went with a friend of mine from an Instagrammer from Shallon's Table. Her name is actually Shallon. We went today to the South Beach Wine and Food Festival food market, the Artisan food market that they've been doing once a month for the past 4 months leading up to the festival on Michigan Avenue down in Miami Beach. So we stopped by a lot of booths, but I ended up bringing home things from 4 different locations. The first one was Challah, Miami. I ended up getting 3 of their challah breads. 2 of these I did try while we were there. So I tried their Parmesan one, that's amazing. I also tried their coffee cake, and I didn't try it, but I decided to bring it home and try it. It is the everything bagel. They had these available in rolls, like I got. They also had them in full-length loaves. I also brought home a box of empanadas from Empanada Harry's. They had a unique setup, which was very good for the market. They had just a pay one price for the box, and it brought 4 things in it. Inside the box of empanadas from Empanadas Harry's, we have the truffle bacon mac and cheese, which is this one in the front. I can tell by the truffles on it. The other 3, I'm not 100% sure which ones are which. I'll find out when I bite into them. But we have the Chipotle chicken, beef and spinach chorizo, and the ham and cheese croqueta. Yes, a croqueta flavor inside of an empanada. I'm really excited for that one. We also stopped by Fudge Miami, where I got 9 different flavors of fudge. Out of these, I did try 2 of them while they were there. We got 9 flavors total. We have a key lime pie, guava, red velvet cheesecake, s'mores, carrot cake, funfetti. This, I believe, is a coffee one, salted caramel, and an almond. I know they don't look so pretty. That's what happens when you leave fudge standing up on its side in the car. Not the best idea. The 4th location that we brought home things from is Pastelito Papi. I was really excited to try these. I've heard good things about them. I brought home 2 of the Frita, 1 of the buffalo chicken, and 2 of the guava and cheese. I'll let you know exactly how they are once I heat them up and give them a try. I'm really excited about all the stuff that we had today that we brought home. A lot of these places are local to South Beach, but some of them are also in the Kendall area. Everyone's in South Florida. A lot of them do deliver, so I will make sure that everybody is linked below so that you can check them out on your own whenever you're in town. Some of them do deliver even countrywide. I know that the Fudge place, Fudge Miami, they do deliver or ship nationwide, so that's something to keep in mind as well for a twist on some Miami flavors.